Do your hands feel like sandpaper? Cracked, dry, and wrinkled? Especially with the colder months ahead? You're not alone. Winter can be tough on our skin, especially our hands. But here's the thing. Most lotions and creams you use can actually make things worse. Want to know why? Stick around until the end, because I'm going to show you the ultimate remedy to turn your dry, wrinkly hands into soft, smooth, youthful skin using just 3 simple ingredients. You may not know this, but everything you put on your skin, especially lotions, gets absorbed right into your bloodstream. That's why you want to be super mindful of the ingredients. Unfortunately, many common lotions contain harmful petroleum-based products, which can dehydrate your skin and strip away essential vitamins like vitamin A, D, E, and K. Ever noticed how your hands feel worse after using some lotions? That's because the chemicals can actually make your skin drier in the long run. But here's something you probably didn't know. Your hands have a whole ecosystem of friendly microbes, fungi, bacteria, and other helpful creatures that protect your skin. When you wash your hands constantly or use harsh chemicals, you're disrupting this natural microbiome. It's like wiping out your skin's defense system. Not only that, but your skin has a delicate pH balance. It's naturally acidic. If you mess with that balance by using the wrong products, your skin can get inflamed and irritated. So, while hand washing is important, especially to avoid the spread of germs, you need to take steps to restore your skin's health. Now, here's the secret. Your skin's appearance is a reflection of what's going on inside your body. What you eat, what you avoid, and the lifestyle choices you make all affect how your skin looks on the outside. Cutting back on sugar and refined carbs, plus incorporating intermittent fasting, are 2 powerful tools to fight the aging process and keep your skin looking youthful. So what can you do for your hands? Well, first, stop using lotions with petroleum-based products. You're just drying your skin out more. And if you're exposed to harsh chemicals or working with soil, always wear gloves. Soil has minerals and microbes that, while healthy, can dry out your hands fast if you're not careful. Next, we need to replenish your skin with those crucial fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. And here's something else. You need to allow your skin's friendly microbes to thrive and reestablish themselves. These little guys are essential for skin health. Okay, here's the good part. The remedy. You'll need 3 simple ingredients. Ready? 1 egg yolk packed with fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, K, omega-3 fatty acids, lecithin, and choline. 2 Manuka honey, known for its antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. It heals your skin and nourishes the microbes. Plus, it's great for wound healing. 3 extra virgin olive oil, rich in healthy fats and antioxidants that hydrate and protect the skin. Take 1 egg yolk, add 1 teaspoon of Manuka honey, and mix it with 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Stir it well until it forms a smooth paste. Now, here's how to use it. Apply the mixture to your hands and leave it on for 20 minutes. Don't rush to wash it off. Let your skin absorb all those nutrients. This will help rehydrate your hands, feed the good microbes, and restore your skin's natural balance. After 20 minutes, rinse it off, and voila, soft, smooth hands. I recommend doing this twice a week, preferably before bed, so your hands can heal overnight. Now that you have the ultimate hand transformation remedy, it's your turn. I'd love to know, what do you use to keep your hands soft and healthy? If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. And don't miss my other video on collagen secrets for glowing skin. Check it out right here on the screen. Remember, beautiful hands start with healthy habits, both inside and out. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. Click here to learn the secrets to glowing skin with collagen.